Hello and welcome to Banks and Markets. In this video, I am going to talk to you about the portfolio performance measurement techniques, and this is the second video on this topic. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the composite portfolio performance measurement techniques. There are 4 of them, and this video will capture on the Treynor portfolio performance measure. So you can see the name of the ratio is taken from Jack Treynor, who published this paper where the ratio was first discussed. So Treynor 1965 developed this first composite measure of portfolio performance that included risk, and the risk is measured by beta. Okay, so you can see this formula which I have copied here in Excel. So I'm going to discuss about this method using this illustration. But what you may like to know is the technique. In this technique, Jack Treynor was interested in a measure of performance that would apply to everyone, to investors, okay, regardless of their preferences. So the technique that would be applicable to all types of investors. So it is built upon capital market theory. So the introduction of risk-free asset is also here. So you can see minus risk-free. So basically the numerator part is the excess return. Excess because the risk-free rate is taken away. Okay. So Treynor shows that rational, risk-averse investors would always prefer the portfolio line with the largest slope, okay, mainly because this would place the investors on the highest indifference curve, and this is the formula. So basically the larger t-value or the higher Treynor value indicates a better portfolio for all investors regardless of their risk preferences. Why? Because the numerator of this ratio, which is this, is simply the risk premium, and the denominator is the risk. The total expression indicates portfolio's risk premium per unit of risk. Okay, so all risk-averse investors would prefer to maximize this value. The risk variable beta, as we know, measures systematic risk, but tells us nothing about the diversification of the portfolio, because it implicitly assumes a completely diversified portfolio. All right. So with this background, now we can move on to a numerical example, and this is the example. Okay, so the example will be discussed in detail in my next video. Thank you.